Hey guys, I'm Eric, the owner of Quality Electric, located here in Somersworth, New Hampshire. And today I've got some big news for you guys. It's something that's been in the works for quite some time now, so I'm excited to share it with you guys, talk about why we're doing it and what it looks like for you. So before we can talk about where we're going, we have to talk a little bit about where we came from. So I've talked about this in some of my videos before, but I started this business in 2018 with a logo that I generated online for about $40 right behind me, a half-built shed, and it was just myself, a pickup truck, and I lived with my wife and my dog. I chose the name because I took pride in the work that I did. I thought that I did, high quality work, which I do believe that we do. And that's how I got started. There were a lot of customers that took a chance on, a young person starting their own business early on, and I'll be forever grateful for them. As time went on and we started to grow a little bit, we started to grow our team. I realized that I needed a little bit more of a professional look. And so I found a local designer that built me the logo that you guys know today. And Quality Electric slowly transformed into the version that you guys all see today. The company started to grow, we got a lot busier, we were starting to build a really good reputation for ourselves. I was starting to realize there's a lot more that goes into what we were doing here than just the quality work that we were doing. I was trying to create an environment for my current and future employees where I could provide them more opportunities than other people were, and just create that loyalty between myself and my customers, which would relay into loyalty with our own internal team, loyalty to our vendors, and all the people that we use that make up the Quality Electric team to provide the service that we were doing. As time went on, we got busier, the team started to grow, we were building a really nice reputation for ourselves in the area. I realized that there was a lot more that went into what I was trying to build than just the quality work that we were doing. I was trying to build a team of employees, vendors that we use, and our customer list that we had was growing, and I was just trying to create an environment where we were all loyal to each other. I treated the employees well, they treated me well, and then they in turn treated the customer well, and it just creates the full customer loop. So as time went on, I realized how important the internal culture was, making sure that all of my employees got along and that we treated customers well in order to just emphasize what we were doing besides just the quality work that we were putting out. Because of all those things we were starting to realize, we started to take a look at the past and then at the future, where we were headed and where we wanted to go. And we realized that something needed to change. Homeowners in this area have a lot of options when they're picking an electrician to come in and work in their homes, and to be quite honest with you, most of them do quality work. We all get similar training, we all learn similar things. Well, a lot of us, we're doing the same thing, so it's more than just the work that we're doing. Doing quality work should be a requirement for an electrician. It's not anything special that you can't get from somebody else. So trying to emphasize that we're taking care of the customers before, during, and after the project is taken on. It goes way beyond just the quality of the work that we're doing. So we started to take a look at that, and then, besides our customer journey that we had, there's a lot of other things going on in the industry that we had to look at that made us realize that we definitely need to change something in a major way. And one of those things is larger companies coming in. You may not know it if you're not paying attention or if you're not in the industry, but there are private equity firms that are moving in and partnering up with these smaller companies, and you're starting to see less truly local owned companies still operating in the area, and it's only going to get worse. Besides that, there's larger, franchise companies that are coming in, and they're undercutting prices and diminishing the customer experience, all in the name of profit. And it's just sad to see the industry going that way. So we really needed to find a way to compete with companies like that, be more memorable, and show people the type of experience that you have with us beyond the quality work that you can expect from almost any contractor that you hire. Like I said, things are changing, the industry's changing, the effort that we're putting into the customer experience is changing, and with all those changes, I was just starting to realize that the look and feel of what we had built up until this point, although we'd built an amazing reputation, we'd served a lot of people, it just no longer represented who we are. It said what we do, Quality Electric, but it didn't explain who we are or how we do it or anything beyond that. It just didn't have any of our personality in it. So with that, we are no longer going to be known as Quality Electric. Welcome to Loyal Lab Electric and Generators. I am so happy to share this with you guys. We've been working on it for so long. We had a whole team of people helping us, great designers, our marketing team, everybody that's helped bring my ideas to life. I'm so grateful to finally be able to share it with you guys. We're still the same great people, we just have a new refreshed look. It's owned and operated by the same people, the same team, all the same employees that were operating Quality Electric. So there's no big changes there, just a new look that better reflects our personality. We're so excited to start getting this new brand and this new look out there. I really want you guys to take some time to watch our other videos to learn who that good boy is up there behind me, so you can learn a little bit more about the story, what it all means, and why we chose this look. Thank you so much for watching.